Nityanandam, this is Manitya Tattapriyananda. I welcome all of you for tuning into this video of mine where I'm going to be sharing about some of the hidden truths regarding various different inventions and discoveries. How the roots of all these inventions are sourced in India, in our very Hinduism. Let me start off with this topic of Earth being round. Who discovered Earth is round? Kepler, Copernicus, Galileo. This is what our books are teaching us, right? All these names are somewhere around 16th century, 17th century, and all. But what I'm going to be sharing with you today is something way, way before all these. Yes. Like, I think around 476 AD, Aryabhatta, a very renowned Indian astrologer, had already described the shape of Earth in his scripture known as Aryabhatiyam. The sixth shloka very clearly describes Bhugolaha Sarvato Vrataha, means Earth is round from all sides. It's a shloka from 476 AD, where from Aryabhatta in his Aryabhatiyam, the Golapada, where in the sixth shloka it's very clear. But what is that we all learn is as if it's very such a recent invention. And there are also like in my history book and my geography book, yeah, I read it in both these books. In both of them, it was described as if we all thought that that Earth is flat, and only when these scientists and these people invented or discovered, we came to know that Earth is round. So then, if Earth is round, if this fact was discovered during 16th century, then how come we have a scripture which is very clear in telling about the Earth is round from all its sides at the time of like around 476 AD itself? Even around like 6th century AD, one more Indian astrologer known as Varahamihira, even in his scripture known as the Panchasiddhantaka, it's very clear. There's actually a verse. Actually, I got this verse to share with all of you. I'll just read out the verse and read out its meaning also. Pancha Mahabhuta Mayastra Ragana Panjare Mahil Golaha. The spherical earth that is made up of Pancha Bhutas is hanging in the space, studded by twinkling stars, like an iron ball hanging in a cage. So, where did this reference come from? If 16th century and 17th century, if where like Copernicus and Galileo and Kepler are only known as if they have discovered these facts, and how like the gravity was discovered very recently by Newton, like if all these facts were true, then why do we have a 6th century AD, a book from that time, from Varahamihira, who's a Hindu, an astrologer, who has clearly, very clearly described about how Earth is hanging in space and how it is round in shape. Something which is making us think, right? I still have so many more facts. Even this fact that I shared of Earth being round might also be a simpler thing. You might think, okay, yeah, it's there's one misconception. No, people are telling that, like I heard.